Solar system. The Sun and its planets together form the solar system. All planets revolve around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits. Moon. The Moon is also a ball like the Sun and the Earth, and it rotates about its own axis. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Its distance from the Earth is 3,84,400 kilometers. The Moon does not have its own light like the Sun. It shines because it reflects sunlight from its surface. The Moon goes around the Earth in 27.3 days. Moon surface. The surface of Moon is covered with craters, mountains, and valleys. Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Example: stone has mass. The amount of matter anything contains is called its mass. Stone occupies space. The space anything occupies is called its volume. So stone is an example of matter. Measurement of length. Millimeter is a small unit of length. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. The length of the nail is 3 centimeters. The length of the hairpin is 5 centimeters. The length of the pen is 10 centimeters. The length of the spoon is 12 centimeters. The length of the pencil is 15 centimeters. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. For example, distance between cities, etc. Measurement of capacity. The quantity of liquid a vessel can hold is its Preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun and another word in the sentence. Some words like in, on, under, over, into, with, behind, etc. tell you where the position between one noun and another. The ball is in the table. The ball is on the table. The ball is under the table. The ball flew over the table. The ball fell into the water. The ball is across the road.